I'm about to blow your mind today in this video because I'm going to show you how you can create long AI videos up to 5 minutes using a single prompt. You're about to explore something that's going to take all the heavy lifting for you, something that even got me amazed when I started using it. So before we dive deeper into this, I've got an example that I want to share with you. Let's go ahead and watch it together.
Meet Leo, wildlife photographer, or as the animals call him, today's entertainment. Pro tip, never leave your gear unattended around primates. They have excellent taste in accessories. The perfect shot. Weeks of planning. Ruined by a bird with a grudge and zero personal boundaries. And just when Leo thought it couldn't get worse, nature's fire truck had other plans. Some photographers capture wildlife. For Leo, wildlife captures him. Every single time.
The website that we're going to be working on today is called Focal ML. I'll leave a link to it in the description as well as the comments below for you to try it out. But let me explain to you what's happening here. On the left side is where my chat history, and if I scroll to the top, you're going to see that all I did was simply just submitting a couple of images. These are my base image and the character sheet, including my single prompt that I used, just like I told you, and this is what worked out the magic for me. What it may look like to you is a standard video editor on the right side of the website, but truly it isn't a standard one. As soon as the images and videos were generated, the AI automatically created the timeline for me in the video editor, and then it simply just did all the heavy lifting for me. And what I mean by that is that everything was literally done automatically using the AI. I didn't do anything but submitting my prompt and the couple of images that you saw at the top of my chat history. And all it did for me was handling the clips. So what it did is that it threw all the video clips in the timeline, combining them together, adding the transitions between each and every clip, adding visual effects, voiceover, and background music. So I literally did nothing but just submitting my prompt right here, a couple of images, and it did all the heavy lifting for me. Those who hate editing or are tired of editing just because it's time consuming, you don't have to worry about that anymore, because guess what? The AI is going to take care of all of that for you automatically. Your AI video will be ready for you, and all you have to do is simply just click on the export button, just like I did, download the video and start using it wherever you want. How cool is that? So now I'm going to show you how to get started, and I want you to follow along with me step by step because this website is unique, so you really need to pay attention until the end of the video. Step one, I started using Gemini to generate my master prompt, and you're going to find something different about my master prompt here because of the way how the website works is that I broke down the master prompt into segments or blocks. That's how it is structured on the website, and I'm going to show you that in a second. So you can see here I have 5 segments. Each one is for 12 seconds, and that's what got me to generate a 60-second video in one go using a single prompt. You can see here segment 1, segment 2, 3, 4, and 5. This is how the prompt was broken down into segments in order for me to get the perfect timing and the animation that I needed for each and every block. Step 2 is generating your character sheet for consistency. And so when you sign up on the website and land on the homepage, this is what it looks like. You're going to find a couple of buttons right here. One is for image generation. The other one is going to be for video generation. By default, both models are selected. So to guarantee you're only going to generate the image without any videos, you got to make sure that you click on the drop down menu for the video models right here and then choose none. And then for the image model, you can open that up, and then you have various options that you can choose from the GPT different versions to Nano Banana to web render. My preferred ones are either Nano Banana Pro or 2, or you can go for the latest version of ChatGPT, which is 1.5. The one that I was using for this project was Nano Banana because it didn't cost me a lot of credits and it provided me with great quality. So you could just choose that right here, and then you can just simply paste your prompt for the character sheet just like so, and simply just hit generate. And then what's going to happen is that it's going to create a new project for you where you're going to see on the left side your chat history, and then on the right side is where your video editor. Obviously you're not going to have anything as of yet until you generate the videos, but this is how it is going to look like, and I'm going to show you how you can manage that in a second. Now once your base image is generated, you're only going to see that image in the chat history, and you can easily just hover over to see what it looks like. If you right click the image, you'll see different options that allows you to expand the image, insert into the timeline. You can also click on a download to download your image to your computer. So this is going to be your next step, downloading your image to your computer, because I'm about to show you how you can start generating videos up to 5 minutes using a single prompt. Step number 3 is generating the video. So it's very important if you want to take control of your generation, you have to go back to the main page by clicking on the back button on the top left to go back to the main page. There are 2 ways for you to get started, so I want you to follow along. It's very crucial at this point so you can easily navigate the system and not get lost. Below the text box, you're going to find a couple of options, the fast option and the pro option. The default one is fast, so you can see here the 2 options, the image generation and the video generation. So if you open up the video generation drop-down menu, you're going to find different options like the Cadence 1.5 Pro and then all the other video models available in there. When you hover on each one, you're going to find some information related to each model. Now, if you're about to use the Cadence 1.5 Pro, which is the latest version they currently have, which is really good, and this is the one I've been working with, by the way, this is how it's going to work. You got to click on the Pro button right here, where you're only going to see the target duration. So you can choose your target duration or length of the video that you want to create. You can click on the plus sign right here, and you're going to find a models button that you can hover over it. It's going to show you 3 different options right here: the image, the video, and the voice option. When you go to the image, you can select the model that you desire. For the video, you're going to see here that Cadence 1.5 Pro is the one that is selected. Another cool feature you're going to find as well, if you go back to the models, you're going to find under voice, you have 3 options: 11 Labs V3, 11 Labs Turbo, and the in-world 1.5 Max. The best one for me was 11 Labs V3, so this is the one that I've been using. Feel free to use that as well. And this is what's really cool about creating videos inside this platform. Not only does it create videos, but it will also create the entire project from start to finish. And I mean by that, you're going to have the audio, you're going to have voiceover, you're going to have music and all that cool stuff, as well as transitions and all that. We'll go to it in a second. One thing that I wanted to point out when generating videos, especially if you're going to go for longer ones, up to 5 minutes, that the AI tends to split them up into segments. Each segment is going to be for 12 seconds, which is why you can see here for this video, I have a 60 seconds, meaning that I have 5 segments. Each one is at 12 seconds. Like I said, you don't need to worry about any of that stuff. You can just throw at it the image, the character sheet, the prompt, and it will handle everything for you in the back end inside the project. It's going to automatically throw everything for you in the timeline, including the effects, including the transitions, the voiceover, and the background music. And you just need to export it. So once you're ready, you simply just click on the export button above the timeline on the right side right here, download it to your computer. Now, the cool thing about their timeline is that you can add more stuff into your project if you want to enhance it even better. If you take a look on the left panel right here, you're going to find that they have stock footage that you can choose from. And then if you click on transitions, you can also choose your desired transitions from here. You can also click on effects and you're going to see different effects that you can choose from. And managing your video in the timeline is so easy. You can just hover on the timeline right here. You can use the scroll button to scroll up to zoom in onto your timeline. You can scroll down to zoom out of your timeline. It's so easy and it's self-explanatory. Now, before I share with you my second best video that I created using this platform, Focal ML has great offers that you can check out. I'll leave a link to all of this in the description and in the comments below. My recommendation is go for the standard plan because this one offers you 3,900 credits on a monthly basis. You'll also get 50 daily credits, which is really cool. That allows you to create multiple credits on a monthly basis. Even if you're doing this for your own business or you're a freelancer offering services for your clients, definitely this will be a payoff, but you can still sign up for the free version just to check it out and test it out for yourself, see how it works. If you like it, definitely go for my suggestion, which is the standard plan. It only costs $30 a month. You get a ton of credits on a monthly basis. You get free daily credits as well, which is really cool, including the commercial use. Now let's go ahead and watch the second example that I want to share with you.
So, this is the universe.